Hi guys, welcome to Ukeguide. Today is our third lesson on Uke Beginner series, and in this lesson I'm going to teach you everything about strumming. So let's quickly start the lesson. So guys, let's talk about how to strum the ukulele. Now I'm going to teach you 4 ways to strum, and the first one is using a pick. You must have seen this pick for a guitar, but we can also use it on our ukulele. So for example, you are holding a chord G on the fretboard. Now as a beginner you can use this pick to play ukulele, but personally I would not recommend it because it does not produce a very good sound. But what you can do, you hold the chord G and you tap strings like this. So in second way, we use our thumb to strum the ukulele string. So you hold the chord on your ukulele. Right now we are holding chord G and you strum with your thumb like this. In third way, we can either use our first finger or we can use a combination of our first finger and our thumb like this. So what we have to do, we have to hold the chord, again holding chord G, and then we have to strum with our first finger like this. Or if you're using a combination of your thumb and your first finger, then you strum like this. Now let's learn about the fourth way. The fourth way is more of an advanced skill and it comes with practice, and in this way we use our thumb as well as our first finger. So what we do, we hold a chord like we again using chord G, and then we strum like . Now let's discuss about the strumming patterns. Now before we move to strumming patterns, let's first understand how we make strumming patterns. Now strumming patterns are made using the time signature of the song, which means we have to identify how many beats are there in a particular measure. Now for instance, if you have 2 beats in a particular measure, then you hold the chord G, for example, and then you start strumming like this. 1, 2, 1, 2. Now if you want to add few upstrokes in this strumming, then you do 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now if you have 4 beats in a measure, then you have to hold chord and then you start counting 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then if you want to add few upstrokes, then it will come out to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now when you need to switch the chords, you complete the first measure and then move to the next. So for example, we are going to chord G and F, then we'll play 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the choice of strumming pattern is decided as per the song requirement. So you have to hear the song and you have to identify which strumming is suitable as per the song. Now I'm going to give you few strumming techniques which are quite common and must be helpful for you. So the first strumming technique is down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. The second strumming technique is down, up, 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 down, up. The third strumming technique is down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So guys, thank you for watching this lesson. I'm sure you must have got a great deal of knowledge with this lesson and it must be helpful for you while playing the instrument. I'll be coming up with more lessons like this in future, so do subscribe to Ukeguide and do not forget to hit the bell icon. So until next time, do take care and bye bye.